Morning, guys. It is not Hawaiian Day, but when I got up to get dressed this morning, I thought I was just gonna make something a little more cheerful on today, so I have a Hawaiian dress on, just for to brighten my mood. I wonder what you guys are doing to make your days better and different and fun. Um, Today we're going to try and do a Google Hangout just so you can see your friends and talk to them. It's Thursday today, so we're going to try and do it at 1:30. And I will email all your parents so they know. But right now we're going to do some math. We are on lesson 2 of module 4. I wrote my name and the date is April 2nd, 2020. And it is 4-2-20. The directions say, write the tens and ones and say the numbers. Complete the statement. So let's start with number 1. When it's all together like that, we know that's a 10. And then let's count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 17 equals how many ones? 1 10 and 7 ones. Good. There are 2 10s here, so let's put the 2 in. Count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 equals 2 10s and 6 ones. Number 3. There's how many 10? 1, 2. I write the 2 right there. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28 equals, 28 equals 2 10s and 8 ones. We have how many 10s? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to write a 3 right there. We have 3 10s and how many ones? 1, 2, 3. Let's read the sentence. 3 10s and 3 ones equal 33. This time we're doing balloons. There are 1 10, so we're going to put a 1 in the tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 1 10 and 4 ones, and altogether there are 14 balloons. The next one says there are how many 10s? 2 10s and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 2 10s and 8 ones. Altogether there are 28 flowers. There are how many 10s? 2 10s. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a 5 in the ones. There are 2 10s and 5 ones. There are how many marbles? 25 marbles. How many 10s are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 10s and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh, they tricked me. I need to erase my 3. So altogether there are 4 10s. Oops. Because this and this equal another 10 and 0 ones. So there are 40 peanuts. Turn the page. Flip it like a pancake. All right, we're just going to keep doing that. Same thing again on this one. It says write the 10s and ones, complete the statement. There are 1, 2, 3 10s. How many ones? Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are how many cubes? 35. Very good. Let's do number 10. Count the tens first. 1, 2 tens. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are how many cubes altogether? There are, good, 27 cubes. Count the tens first. 1, 2, 3 tens. How many ones? Count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 3 tens and 9 ones, and altogether there are 39 cubes. If you say it with me, it makes it more in your brain. Count the tens first. 1 ten, 2 tens. There are 2 tens. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9 ones. So altogether there are, good, 29 cubes. The directions for the bottom part say write the missing numbers, say, so you have to talk, say them the regular way, and say the 10 way. So the first one says, how many tens and how many ones? Our number is 35, so this is the tens column, so the 3 goes in the tens and the 5 goes in the ones. So there are 3 tens and 5 ones, and there are 35. So if there are 2 tens and 7 ones, what's the number? Good, 27. There are 2 tens and 7 ones, and that is 27. This time they have 3 tens and 9 ones. So what would the number be? Good, 39. 3 tens and 9 ones is the same as 39. This time the number is 29. So how many tens and how many ones? Good. There are 2 tens and 9 ones, and that is the same as 29. So they put the 0 already in the ones column for us. How many tens do we have in 40? Good. There are 4 tens and 0 ones, and that's the same as saying 40. Uh-oh, what do we do on this one? There's only the number 9, and the 9 is in the ones column. So we're going to put the 9 in the ones column. And how many tens are there? There's 0 tens. So there are 0 tens and 9 ones. Okay. It's pretty straightforward, and I don't think you will have a lot of trouble with it. There's 2 sides to your homework. And then we also included this paper, and you can use it to think of your own numbers. If you're going to say 25, then do how many tens and how many ones? So there would be 2 tens and 5 ones, and that equals 25. You don't have to do this one, but if you were just looking to do a little bit more, that's perfectly agreeable. Also, I'm going to turn it around so you can see me. Also, this isn't all the math you need to be doing. You can also do freckle math. It's important to log on, and I can see who's been doing it, and a lot of you are working hard. And I don't want you to spend so much time on your screen time, they call it, but freckle math will help you a lot, so that's a good way to use your time. And plus, there's some fun games on there if you remember. Okay, we will do some writing and some reading later, but right now I'm going to shut off the video.